Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Rednecks Guide To Biking, and today we're going to fix this tire. You see, take a look, it's deflated like the Patriots. And we got our kit. All you need is a flat tire, your tube, and tire levers. So, first thing you got to do is pinch this like this. Like pinching the tire like so. Alright, then you take the nearest tire lever. Oh, that's probably not a good idea, but let's take the nearest tire lever and fix this. So you don't want to put it right on the whatever that is. You don't want to put it right on the inflation place, and yeah, you just want to put it right near it, and then so you put it. I have to show you with my new filming strategies. So you take it, and then you take the tire, you go in, but usually you have another hand. And you take the tire and practically you put this in under and then over. Usually. I hope you know what I mean. And then you'll take the tire. Alright. Then once it's around enough, you can just slide it around. So that tire will come off with, oh, dang it. Alright, I have to start from square one. And then once all the way around, you just take the tire off. I'm going to do this up on my little pedestal. Tire off. Carefully. You take the tire off. And then, you know, you can always use a tire lever to help take it out. And so just keep filing your hand. Oh geez. Okay, that's where the tube goes in. And then you're gonna want to take the tube out. Okay, yeah, my bad. Now you're gonna want to unscrew this. Find a place for that. Bang it all, well, find it now. And now, also you probably want to make sure the tube is totally deflated, which it is. So now you just take it out. Now you got your rim and you got your tire. I think you know what those things are from my last video. And who is that on my property? I never allowed you on my property. Now the next thing you gotta do, take the tubing out. Usually, if you want, you can find where the source is. So, another thing you'll need for this project is a pump. Now, I'm gonna go get my pump, and I'll be right back. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is see if you can find where the air came out in the first place. I found it, and I can hear it. Put your ear close enough, you can hear the ocean. But yeah. It's just good for future reference, and yeah, put this tube over here, let it deflate. Now let's go open up a new tube. Alright guys, we're like that newfangled iDubbbz TV. Oops, why must you do this? Money shot. This tube wide. Alright there guys. Now you take off that there rubber band. And you want to inflate this. Okay, with caps. I lost my cap. Alright, now we're actually going to want to put this in the same place. Next thing you'll want to do is you're going to want to unscrew this like I think y'all know how. Put it on. And now blow it up just a bit. so it just takes shape. Now this here is a tube. Now, this is what it should look like. Just inflated enough to have shape. Now you're gonna want to make sure this thing's coming straight out, because if it doesn't, that could damage it. Gotta take some air out of this, because I put too much in. Y'all, I messed up. What the instructions tell you apparently supposed to do is, where did I put those dang instructions? Where did I throw all the stupid this box? It says, insert valve into rim hole and position tube inside the tire. Okay. Huh. I think you're supposed to put the tube in the tire first. Now, don't quote me on this, but I'm quoting Ricky Bobby, so everything's gonna be alright now. Now you put it in the tire. You put the tube in the tire, and then all's well ends well. Am I right? Am I right, Ricky Bobby? Alright, next thing y'all want to do is you're going to want to position this thing into the hole. You see this hole right here? It's very holy. Now, you're going to want to position the tire into that. This is the best tutorial video out there on the internet. You're going to want to put it in, but make sure it ain't no crooked, because that can damage it. See how I put it in? You see how I messed up? Yeah. I'll be right back when I have the tire. Okay, so the way yeah, I was right. You need to put the tire over the tube and then put it in. And as you can tell, it may pop out a bit, but it's all good, because it's my tire. And then you want to position the tire inside to make sure. It may look stupid, like it's not supposed to. Like normally your bike may look better, but you know, it's okay. Now, this side. I got most of it. I just need to tuck this in, like it's my child. I love my children, they're so sweet. Praise baby Jesus. Alright, you probably don't want to put it on your leg, because that's going to mess it up, but don't do what I do, but don't do some of the things I do, because they're pretty stupid. Some of the things I do on this channel are pretty stupid, especially for a pro biker. NASCAR. We're going to make a new form of NASCAR today. It's called NASCAR. I think I got it all. Now you just want to pinch everything in. Pinch the last bit of tire in, and there you go. Now let's do a final check of everything. Everything looks good. Now let's pump this up. Got these camera switches now, boys. Oh, goodness. We hope we put this in right. And then you just unscrew this. And then you put this thing on. You may need to push it down a bit, but now let's start pumping. Oh, shoot. Okay, never mind. I'm fine. I thought I messed up. Now, PSI on my tires. Alright guys, now you got your new tire. Just go install it. And there you have it. Thanks for watching another episode of the Rednecks Guide To Biking. See you guys next time. Bye.